Hello, my friends, and happy February. I literally can't believe it's February. That's crazy. Just wanted to say that we love you guys so much, and we're so grateful for you being a part of this community. Since it is officially February, that means that it's a new month, and it's time for one of our new kit releases. So for this month, we have a gorgeous kit called Dreaming Magenta, and it's 50 pages, and we're going to take a look at what is included in this kit. If you end up liking the kit, just remember that there's two different ways that you can get it. You can become a subscriber, and this is only for the current month. So since it's the February kit, if you subscribe during February of 2026, then you can get this kit. And you can also, or you can purchase just the kit with no subscription on one of our two websites, Pink Monarch Prints on Etsy or www.pinkmonarchprints.com. We also do some other fun things. So in addition to releasing that 50 to 60 page kit every single month, we have some tutorials and inspo here on YouTube using those said kits. We have a Facebook group where you guys can post your creations and get your questions answered. And of course, lots of full kit freebies for our monthly kit club members. I will have everything linked in the description of this video. And now let's take a look at the kit. This is Dreaming Magenta, and it is such a fun kit. Many pops of that magenta purpley colors, browns, creams, and a little hint of that olive green as well. And the colors just work really fun together to create a cohesive kit. The first part of this kit that we're going to take a closer look at are the double pages. So the double pages will typically come with a cover. Here is the cover for this month, and then on the inside we have some pages, so you can use these to create a journal. You can use them as backsplashes for a different journal that you create, or we have lots more other great ideas on our past playlists for other subscription kits if you need more ideas. We'll next take a look at the 8.5 by 11 inch papers included in the kit. And we'll just flip through these, but just so you guys know, most of the papers are formatted to be horizontal landscape because that's kind of just what makes sense. This is something kind of new that we've incorporated, but I don't know why we didn't do it sooner. So really cute, lots of neutrals, lots of pops of color, great papers to have in any kit. Next up, the envelopes in this kit, and I'm really excited about this. It's always fun to find different shapes and sizes of envelopes because envelopes are truly one of the best parts about our journal kits. I love using them. So 3 different unique envelopes here. Another great highlight of this kit is the ephemera. There are some super great options in this. So first and foremost, some blank writing cards, which are always good to have around, some layering tags in different shapes. These ones to me kind of look like those Polaroid images, which I love, and some vintage ephemera, as well as these darling little bird cards, and more pop of that kind of the magenta floral theme. Sometimes in our kits, we try and make some pages that can work together to make almost a mini project, like a mini folio of some sort. So that is what this is, just 2 pages to create these gorgeous, like a flip-flap pocket. And one fun thing about these is that these elements can also be used pretty easily by themselves. I know that when we're releasing a new kit, you guys always look forward to the fussy cuts, and I'm really excited about these ones. How darling are those little shoes? So cute. Love the colors with these fussy cuts, and then we also included these stamped effect fussy cuts. Another thing we've decided that is super important to have in your kits are little pieces. So we have 1 page of teeny tiny tidbits and some blank layering tags, some smaller pieces of ephemera, and some gorgeous words. I love these. These make all the difference in a kit. And here we have a really good variety of pockets for the kit. Really great to just glue these into your journal and stuff some tags, ephemera, or other goodies inside. Different shapes, different sizes, different color schemes, a lot of fun things going on here. And here are the tags that work really well with those pockets or with other parts of the kit. We have the fussy cut tags that are just really simple and have some of that blank space, some scrapbook paper tags, and another page of these really eclectic grungy tags. Finally, we are on to our last section. We have these long file folders. I am excited for these. and really look forward to creating some fun videos. So we have one really neutral one that you can add some fun elements to, and then we have one that's pre-designed, and these are going to fit perfectly into my journal for the month, and I'm so excited. And that concludes our kit preview for the February 2026 kit, Dreaming Magenta. Hope you guys love this kit. I know I do, and I'm really excited to show you guys some of the videos that I've been working on. At the end of this video, I will have the February 2026 playlist linked, so you can click on that and see what videos are being released. We release them every day for the first 10 days of the month or so, so if they're not out yet, just know that they will be soon. Make sure you're subscribed, and don't forget to check out the links in the description of this video. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we will see you next time. Goodbye.